Alright guys, so you guys have not probably seen this so up close. This is like my makeup where I keep it. I have a very small makeup collection, and it stresses me out, and it's so small. Imagine if I had more of these, like these makeup organizers. I think I'll have a heart attack because they're already killing me. And I have this right here where I'm gonna put the makeup that I don't want, that I want to throw out or I want to give to a friends. And there's a lot of makeup in here that I've had with me since I started my channel, or since like I started doing makeup at all, and it's a long time ago. So the first, and all this is super random, there's nothing in order. So I'm gonna go first in here. So here I mainly have like my palettes, and this one right here, this one I got I think in the Boxycharm, and I only have one hand, so that's how it looks like. It's this one. It's super beautiful. I didn't really like it, so I'm gonna put it here. Didn't really like that one. And then this one right here, I think it's just a Z palette from, yeah, it's just a Z palette, and it has like a couple of eyeshadows and stuff. So I'm gonna keep this one, put it up there. And then this one is from Pop Beauty. I kind of like this one. I didn't really like it. I'll put it in there. And then what else? This one, oh my god, this one is amazing. This is one of the first palettes that I ever got, and this one is from BH Cosmetics. I'm sure you guys know this palette. It's just absolutely beautiful. Like, look how beautiful this palette is. It's so nice. Right here. And then this little one right here, like from Sessions Formula, I also want to keep it. And then this one right here by Pixie and Candy, I am keeping this one. I'm keeping the Carly Bible palette. This is like the old that she had, so you know, this was one of my first palettes, so I'm not gonna throw it away because, you know, I wanna save it. And then this one is from Pop Beauty. Let me know if you guys tried this one. I didn't really try it, and I don't really like it, so I'm gonna give that one away. This is the horrible palette. This palette is just absolutely horrible. I literally keep it just because of the gold one right there, and then the two at the bottom. This is the only reason why I keep it, but it's one of the worst palettes that I have, to be honest. And then this is the highlight palette by what is this, Profusion Makeup. I'm gonna keep that one. Let me see what else. I think all these I'm gonna keep, the ones that are in here. I already know them, so I'm just gonna put this back, and I do need to organize this. So then my next one, these are the ones that are just like, oh my god. I'm gonna throw out this one because this was my first bronzer ever. If you guys remember my other videos, guys, this was my first bronzer ever, so I'm gonna throw that one away. And I'm also gonna throw, I don't know, does MAC bronzers go bad? Can somebody tell me if they go bad? I'm gonna keep it in the corner just for that. I'm gonna throw away this LA Girl bronzer. Ooh. This No Cosmetics mascara should be still good. And all these, I think I'm gonna keep all these little goodies in here. None of these are expired. These are kind of like new, like, you know, like setting spray. This one by No Cosmetics is like really nice shine for the summer. I'm gonna keep that one. I don't like this one from Found. Throw it away. And this is a good blow dry perfecting heat protector by Biorgio, so I'm gonna put it in there. My MAC, this was one of my first MAC things that I've ever bought. Soft and Gentle by MAC. You guys know this one, I'm sure you do. And then this is also a blush that I'm going to keep, and I need to organize all this. I just have it in drawers like this, and it kind of stresses me out. Oh gosh, this one, yeah, this one stresses me out. All right, so this Jess's Girl absolutely sucks. I don't need this e.l.f. one at all. This was my first highlight ever from Physicians Formula. I don't know if it's still good. As you can see, it's super old. I don't know if it's expired, but I think I should give it away, so I'm giving it away. And this is by Liquid Glow by Boxycharm. I'm gonna put it up here. And let me see. I'm gonna give all these away. These are like, if you didn't see the video of Shop Miss A that I did, these are all the products that I used and I didn't really like them, so I'm gonna give them away or throw them out. This one as well. Oh my god, guys, this was my first makeup ever. This is a Prestige. I don't even know if Prestige does makeup anymore. I tried looking this up somewhere else and I couldn't even find it, but this was my first palette ever, and I'm gonna keep it just because the memories that it has. And this is just a Sephora mirror right here, so I'm gonna put this right there, and then let's gonna organize that. This is a Tarte blush, and I really do like this one as well. And then I want to throw this one away too because no. And this also was one of my first makeup. This was this like a Wet n Wild eyebrow little quad thing, so I'm gonna put it there. This is the e.l.f. This is from e.l.f. and I'm not gonna use this. Throw it out. This is a mirror. I'm gonna put it here. This is from No Cosmetics. It's like a bronzer. I'm gonna keep the bronzer. And then this is a highlight from e.l.f. I'm gonna keep the highlight. This is a highlight from Shop Miss A, and I'm gonna throw that away. These are more highlights from Pop Beauty that I love. They're super good. This I don't like. This is from Shop Miss A also. This is from Shop Miss A also. This right here is from Catrice Prime and Prime. I don't think this works, to be honest, but I'm gonna give another try, so I'm gonna leave it there. And this I'm definitely gonna throw out. This, yeah, this gotta go. This is also from Shop Miss A right here, and it's the worst thing ever, so I'm gonna throw it out. And then this right here is a contour stick from Maybelline. I don't know if this is still good. It was really, really old, and I don't want to get pimples. So I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna see. Okay, good. This is a very, very old MAC concealer. I'm gonna throw this out. And this right here is so cute, and I'm gonna give this to someone. I'm not gonna throw it out. I'm gonna give this to someone that will use it. These right here, and these are also from Shop Miss A, and those are concealers, and I didn't really like them, so I'm gonna throw them away. I don't think anybody should use these absolutely suck, so no. All right, so now these two, oh my god, I've had these forever. Like, these are like 5-6 years old, and I think it's time for me to throw them away. Oh my god, these are my first makeup, like first makeup ever, but gotta go. And all these beauty blenders, yeah, this one gotta go. What else? I think this was my first beauty blender ever, and it looks disgusting, but gotta go. I don't know, I think I'm gonna leave those there. Let's go for this one. All right, and here, this is just new makeup that I need to try, so let me keep that there. And then, oh my goodness. All right, so this is a mask. I love my masks, so I'm not gonna throw these away. I'm gonna put these over here. All right, this is, you guys know what this is. This was super popular on YouTube, like super popular, and everybody was using it as their moisturizer, and it worked at the time, but now nobody has time for this, so oh, let me put this here. Okay, so there's nothing here. This headband I do want to keep. And this is a Fair Setting Powder by Benaire, so I'm going to keep this one. This is an e.l.f. under eye cream. No, this is a Kylie Jenner box. There's something in here. It's just the box, so I'm going to throw that away. This is an e.l.f. like little thing for under your eyes, like a hydrating thing for your eyes. I'm going to throw that away. There's a lipstick. Do I like this color? Let me see. Lipstick. I don't like this one. There's a lot of lipstick from the drugstore that I have that I don't like. And this is the Naked Basics palette by Urban Decay. And I'm going to keep this one just because it's still good. And it's one of my first palettes ever. And these brushes I don't need, so I'm going to throw away this one. Throw away that one, that one, that one. I don't know what this is. Garbage. 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 All these brushes are garbage. This right here was okay. It wasn't the best ever, but I don't need it, so thank you. Morphine Time Kathleen palette. I really like this palette. It's really, really nice. So I'm gonna put it up here. Okay. This is Makeup Forever. Nope. These are little perfumes. So I'm gonna put these up here. Okay. So this is a Sonia Kashuk bronzer that I tried to like it and it was super, whoa, okay, I guess it broke. So super expensive and didn't work out. So I'll put it there. And all these brushes I don't want. This one I might want, so I'm gonna keep this one. Don't want this one. Don't want that one. Don't want this one. Don't want that. Wait, oh my god, guys, this one used to be my favorite brush. Legit. I think I'm gonna wash it because this would be my favorite. And then this one too. I'm gonna wash these two. So I'm gonna put this up there. What else? This is the Bella colors from Marilenny. So I'm gonna keep that one. What else? That toothbrush, brush. Gosh, and this is setting spray from NYX. That's super old. I know. And this is by MAC, and this is like the oldest thing ever. So this is Extra Dimension bronzer and by MAC, and nope. Oh, what else is in here? Oh my god, this lipstick is super old. These used to be my favorite lipsticks, and the one that say Katie right here used to be my favorite from the drugstore, but this is super old, as you can see, so I'm gonna throw that away. Oh my god, this is awful. The Wet n Wild lipsticks that come like this are awful. And I have also an e.l.f. bronzer. It looks like this. You guys know how these are. Right here. I don't know if I want to keep it. Nah, I don't need it. Throw it away. And also have another one of these. Oh my goodness, I have so many of these. Maybe I should keep this one and find the other one that I had. Nah. Throw it away. And then I'm gonna, this is another Ben Nye setting powder, and I have this one in Topaz. If it wants to, hello. Alright, it doesn't wanna, there you go, Topaz. So I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna put it here. Urban Decay setting spray, that's super old. Mascara, that's super old. More brushes. Half brushes. What else? These super old brushes. Super old. Wait, I kind of want this one. What is it? This one. I kind of want this one for my concealer. So I'm going to put it up here. And I'm going to clean it. Alright. This is... Nope. Nope. Oh my god, this was my favorite too. This one right here. Look, I even glued it. You guys see this? I even glued it right here. Oh my god, this is my favorite brush. I'm gonna try to wash it because it was my favorite. And then not this one. This one's ugly. And what is this? This is the Relief Eye Cream. Ew. Okay, no. I don't like these whatsoever. Like the colors, they're too bright. This one, it was too bright. This concealer was from Shop Miss A. It was horrendous. Throw that away, throw that away. This brush was horrendous. Throw that away. Throw that away. This another brush was horrendous. Throw that away. Very, very old MAC lip gloss. Throw that away. What else? What else? What else? Throw that away. Throw that away. I think we're good. I think the things that are here I'm gonna keep. Let's see. This brush. Okay, guys. I think we did progress. Okay. So now these we're gonna keep. All right. There's a couple of more things right here that I haven't even put inside my drawer, and this is the Blink times Boxycharm Electric Eyes palette. Oh my god, I don't remember this. This is nice. All right, this is nice. It's a little shattered. Oh my god, it's not focusing. Why is it not focusing? It's a little shattered, but I'm gonna keep it. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna keep it up here. And then right here, I don't need this. This is the oldest thing I've had, like the oldest thing ever. And then this is a Jouer little eyes thing. So I'm gonna keep this one. And then I'm gonna keep these as well, but I have to clean this, so just leave it there. And then I'm gonna keep all these. These are just eyeshadows that I want to keep, except this because it's been opened. And what is this anyway? Lip balm. Okay, I don't need this lip balm. And then a concealer from NYX from like 2001, so I'm gonna keep that one. And then I think that's it. Okay, guys, so these are all the things that we're gonna be giving away or throwing out. There's more to throw out than to give away because it's super old, and like mostly the bottom things are the ones I'm gonna give someone. But yeah, it's pretty good. This took me a long time. Wow, it's like 18 minutes, and yeah. So I'm gonna go through this right now, and then I'm gonna give it away or throw it out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see a video how I organize all of this, and then I have to organize all of these right here and the ones in here, then please let me know down below, and then I'll do it for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Love you, God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.